what is it? So obviously it's the next sort of revision of HTML, which is currently still in progress with W3C and the WG working group. So I think WG have been developing it since around about 2006. I think that's when they started kicking off, and then W3C sort of paired with them a little bit later to continue sort of developing the specification. I think the last call, as they call it, which is when all of the sort of features and everything are agreed, is actually due in about May of this year. But it's probably unlikely that a full spec will be available within the year or so, I reckon, thereabouts. And as we all know, these things can take quite a bit of time. So yeah, talking about sort of some of the things that it kind of offers, again in terms of what is it? Increased semantics within markup, which I think is a beneficial thing to everybody. And there are sort of content-specific elements that have been developed. So that's things like multimedia and sort of regular types of content. So yeah, I mean, we're looking at things like, for example, content. You've got things like nav elements, header, footer, article, section, that kind of thing. And then for multimedia, we've got sort of native like video and audio sort of elements as well, and of course the canvas elements, which I'm sure we've all heard about. That should offer sort of richer interactive environments natively within HTML, within the browser, and in particular mobile web as well. We'll gain a lot of benefit from that, and I think we're already seeing quite a lot of that implementation within mobile apps already across the board. That will obviously benefit developers and users. I mean, for developers, I think it offers the ability to create cleaner markup than we sort of currently do generally. Because obviously at the moment to create sort of rich applications, there's a lot of sort of scripting, etc., to get around some of the problems that we face. And again, it's also beneficial from the user's point of view, because I think that will also increase things like accessibility, stuff like that. So things like screen readers and that type of stuff will be able to make more sense of the actual markup language moving forward. So that's only a good thing. And again, as I've said at the bottom there, it just overall improves standards and accessibility for everyone. So, have you got any questions at that point in terms of what it is?
With regards to the different groups involved in doing it, rolling it out, I've heard so many different timescales for when it's going to be a standard. Do you know when that is?
Well, as I said before, I mean, from what I've read, I mean, nothing's obviously concrete with these things. As I say, the last call is due sort of May of this year. Obviously there may be a question mark over whether that actually happens, but that's when it's scheduled for anyway. And then obviously they have to go through another sort of 2 iterations. There's like a candidate release type thing, and there's another one, and then it goes to full spec. But it's likely to be at the earliest 2012, sometime in 2012, when it's actually a full HTML5 spec. But the status at the moment is work in progress. It is just work in progress.